Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some seriously heart-healthy foods. We're talking about the top 12 cholesterol-friendly foods that can give your heart a healthy boost. Stay tuned to find out which foods you should be adding to your grocery list this week. First up, we've got oats. These humble grains are more powerful than they look. Oats are a fantastic source of soluble fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan. This special fiber is key to lowering cholesterol. Think of soluble fiber like a sponge. It binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and helps flush it out. This process is crucial for maintaining heart health. That means less cholesterol making its way into your bloodstream, reducing the risk of heart disease. You can enjoy them for breakfast as a warm bowl of oatmeal, add them to smoothies, or use them in baking. The versatility of oats makes them easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Just half a cup of cooked oatmeal gives you a good dose of that cholesterol-lowering fiber. It's a simple yet effective way to start your day on a healthy note. Don't be afraid to experiment with different toppings. Variety can keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Fresh fruit, a sprinkle of nuts, or a dash of cinnamon can transform a plain bowl of oatmeal into a delicious meal. These additions not only enhance flavor but also add extra nutrients. Making oats a regular part of your diet is what will really make a difference in your cholesterol levels. Consistency is key, so find ways to enjoy oats daily for the best results. Let's talk about barley, another grain that deserves a spot on your plate. This humble grain is often overlooked, but it packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. Like oats, barley is rich in soluble fiber, which is great for cholesterol. Soluble fiber helps to reduce the absorption of cholesterol into your bloodstream. Barley is particularly effective at lowering LDL cholesterol, often referred to as the bad cholesterol. Studies have shown that regular consumption of barley can lead to significant reductions in LDL levels. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping it in check is crucial. By incorporating barley into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards better heart health. You can enjoy barley as a side dish, add it to soups and stews, or use it as a base for salads. Its versatility makes it easy to include in various meals. One of my favorite ways to enjoy barley is in a warm salad with roasted vegetables and a light lemon dressing. This combination not only tastes delicious but also provides a nutrient-dense meal. Choose whole barley or barley flakes over pearled barley, as they retain more of their fiber content. This ensures you get the maximum health benefits from this amazing grain. Next up, we've got nuts, and I'm not just nuts about them because they're tasty. Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, are nutritional powerhouses for heart health. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, while walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. A handful of nuts a day is all you need to reap their heart-healthy benefits. Keep a bag of almonds in your car or purse for a quick snack, or sprinkle some chopped walnuts on your yogurt or salad. Remember, a little goes a long way with nuts, as they are calorie-dense. Now, let's dive into the world of fatty fish. I'm talking about salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines, all those delicious and nutritious fish that are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids, meaning our bodies can't produce them on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. They've been shown to lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, decrease the risk of blood clots, and improve the health of your blood vessels. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your diet each week. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also get omega-3s from supplements like fish oil or algae oil. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries. This heart-healthy oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol. It's also a great source of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Extra virgin olive oil, in particular, is rich in antioxidants, making it the most heart-healthy choice. Use olive oil to drizzle over salads, sauté vegetables, or even use it in baking. Just remember that olive oil is still a fat, and all fats are high in calories, so moderation is key. Avocados, those creamy, delicious fruits. Yes, they're fruits. are another great source of monounsaturated fats. They're also packed with fiber, potassium, and vitamins C, E, and K, making them a nutrient-rich addition to any diet. The monounsaturated fats in avocados have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol. Enjoy avocado on toast, in salads, or even blended into smoothies for a creamy boost. This versatile fruit can be enjoyed in countless ways. Beans, the musical fruit. Well, they're not actually fruits, but they are musical for your heart. Beans are an excellent source of soluble fiber, which is like a magnet for cholesterol. They're also packed with protein, making them a satisfying and nutrient-rich addition to any meal. Whether you prefer black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, or lentils, there's a bean out there for everyone. Add them to soups, stews, salads, or even make a delicious bean dip. The American Heart Association recommends eating 3 to 4 cups of beans per week for optimal heart health. Soy products, like tofu, tempeh, and soy milk, have long been staples in many cultures. They're a great source of plant-based protein and contain compounds called isoflavones, which have been shown to have cholesterol-lowering effects. Studies have shown that incorporating soy protein into your diet can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Soy products are also incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of dishes. Try tofu scramble for breakfast, add edamame to your stir-fries, or enjoy a refreshing glass of soy milk. Fruits are naturally sweet and delicious, making them an easy and enjoyable way to improve your heart health. Incorporating a variety of fruits into your diet can provide essential vitamins and minerals that support overall well-being. Apples, grapes, and citrus fruits, in particular, are packed with nutrients that can benefit your heart in various ways. These fruits are not only tasty but also offer a range of health benefits that can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol. This type of fiber binds with cholesterol in your digestive system, helping to remove it from your body and reduce your risk of heart disease. Grapes are a good source of resveratrol, an antioxidant that has been shown to protect against heart disease. Resveratrol can help reduce inflammation and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key factor in the development of heart disease. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are rich in vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that supports heart health. Vitamin C helps to strengthen blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Enjoy a variety of fruits throughout the day, whether it's an apple with peanut butter for a snack, a salad with grapes and walnuts for lunch, or a refreshing glass of orange juice with breakfast. Including these fruits in your daily meals can make a significant difference in your heart health and overall wellness. Vegetables are essential for overall health, and when it comes to heart health, they're true champions. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health. They're also low in calories and fat, making them a great addition to any weight management plan. Other vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers are also packed with nutrients that benefit your heart. Aim to fill half your plate with vegetables at each meal. Now, this one might surprise you. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate can actually be good for your heart. We're talking about dark chocolate with a high cacao content, at least 70%. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. Flavonoids help improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and prevent blood clots. Enjoy a small square or two of dark chocolate a few times a week to satisfy your sweet tooth while reaping its heart-healthy benefits. Last but not least, let's raise a glass to green tea, a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly a type called catechins, which have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Green tea is also a good source of L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Enjoy a warm cup of green tea in the morning or afternoon for a refreshing and heart-healthy beverage. Just be mindful of added sugars in some bottled green teas. Heart-healthy habits start now. So there you have it, folks, 12 cholesterol-friendly foods that you can start incorporating into your diet today to boost your heart health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Let us know in the comments which of these foods you'll be adding to your diet.